In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send a doodle on Instagram message. Let's get started. First, make sure you have updated your Instagram app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now navigate to your conversations page. Once you're over here, open the conversation where you want to send a doodle. Once you launch it, at the bottom you're going to find the message box, and at the right hand side you're going to find this plus icon. Click on that, select the option draw, click on try it. Now here you're going to find different option. You can use any of these brush to send a doodle. Likewise, you can choose the color. Now you can make whatever you like or type in whatever you like and send it. This way you are able to send doodle on Instagram message. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.